Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard and today I brought you to a farm that has the worst pest problem that I've seen in my whole career. So the plan of attack for today is just to go out there and just mow down every single pest bird that I see, as many as what I can in the time that I have on this farm. So sit back, relax, and this, my friends, is going to be a good one. Oh, dead, 119 yards on the mark. Down he goes, 155 yards. Just missed that last one. What a brilliant shot, 192 yards. $53. Damn. Smoked him, headshot. Smoked him, 90. Then my trusty FX Impact M3. This is the 700mm sniper edition. In the front, a Donny FL Ronin silencer. At the bottom, I've got a Arca Swiss rail from Saber Tacticals. On top, I'm running a Element Nexus scope. At the bottom, an aftermarket Anarchy grip from Utah. Then all the footage that you guys are seeing today is recorded through my side shot system. The slugs that I'm shooting today is the H&N 30 grain slugs, and I'm shooting them at 980 feet per second. And I don't have to tell you how they shoot, because you can see they're laser accurate and they hit like hammers. Oh, what a perfect shot, 99 yards. Oh, the slugs hit very hard. Well, that was a very successful quick session there. I think I shot over 20 pigeons here on this one spot. Job done. Time to move along to the next place. I see the activity of all the birds is on that side of the farm now, so let's take a quick drive that way. Now I had so many requests of doing a sequence that's only headshots, so this one, guys, is just for you. Ooh. Smoke. Now, I don't really say these kind of things, but I feel this is the right time to say it. But all of these headshots you just saw on camera happened within 45 minutes, and Byron's behind the camera as my witness. And out of all the headshots you just saw, I think I missed, what, 5 or 6 of them, Byron, and that's because of the wind that just changed on me. And there's a very hard gust of wind that came out of my 2 o'clock. Like you guys can see, these slugs are really accurate and they really work well in the wind, and this is one of the reasons why I love these H&N so much. They just really accurate, and they just work in my gun setups as it is at the moment. Another one down, 119 yards. He was curious. So here you go, this is all the geese I just shot. There's another 2 that the farm workers is collecting now as I speak. Very healthy geese, as you can see, and there's a lot of meat on these birds here. So I've decided not to take it for myself. I'm going to give it over to the farm workers because they helped me out today, and they're going to make a nice meal of it tonight. So yeah. Man, oh man, what a day so far. I managed to smash down a ton of pest birds, but there's still a lot to do on this farm. So this unfortunately is the part where I have to say goodbye to you guys out there, because I need to turn off the camera so that I can work faster. Thanks so much for your support. Remember, if you like this content, please smash that like button at the bottom. All the new guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, and remember to turn on the notification bell. So it's time for me to go to work again, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.